So I'm going to try this. So I feel like a lot of my work and repair work has been in the bathrooms lately, and that's kind of out of necessity. In a household of 7 people, we have a lot of bathroom use. And one of the issues everybody deals with is mold and mildew in your bathroom. And I just used one product on the grout. This is a different product that is made to go on the silicone sealant around the tub. And the sealant on this tub, I clean it ever so often, but it's going to either need replacing or something soon. I'm going to try this. This goes over top of it. Usually you cannot put caulk on top of caulk. You have to remove the old caulk. This says you can put it over top, and it has its own applicator. So I've done a lot of caulk. I don't know if I've ever done caulk well. I've seen a lot of other approaches to getting mold and mildew off of the caulk, but I'm going to try this and we'll see how it does in terms of covering it up. And I will not post the video for a few days. We'll see if it stays covered up or if the old stuff shows through. So here's a little sampling. I know it's gross, but you need to see it before I put the stuff over top just to see if we get anything done. All right, I think it looks all right. It's a little bit messy. If you've used silicone caulk before, like good stuff, this goes on really thin compared to that. So I'm not sure exactly what's in it, what makes it do that, but it goes on sort of runny. It's not gonna run anywhere, but it spreads a lot thinner. I'm not gonna recommend that you use your fingers, but a lot of people use their fingers to spread caulk, and maybe that's dangerous, but the nozzle on it seems like a good idea. I actually have some tools like this, very similar, that I use when I apply caulk and spend more time on it. This took me 8 minutes to do this tub, and that's pretty good because it would take, to re-caulk it, first to pull out the old caulk and then put new caulk in, would take me at least an hour, maybe more. So 8 minutes to do this is a good attempt, and I'll show you what it looks like after a few days here. All right, I promised to revisit this, and so here we are. It's been 6 days, so that's at least 20 showers taken in here, and it looks really good. You can't see any of the previous mold or mildew on the old caulk, and it's staying nice and clean. It has not come off. I'm going to show you a little bit closer, and the disclaimer that I did not take much time in applying this, so it's pretty messy, but that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to be quick. I like to spend a lot of time applying caulk, but this was a quick application over top of caulk, and you see it's pretty messy, and that is bad in terms of future mold, but I really just wanted to see how it went on and how it stayed on, and it's done a great job. So that's the final verdict a week later. I can't make any claims about what it'll look like in 6 months, so give me a call and we'll talk about it.